Thank you. Right now I'm happy. We are all happy as you can see. Because last weekend on Friday we came here to play and we lost very bad, although we didn't expect it. But this is volleyball. Sometimes we wake up and we're not in a good form and you lose. So on Friday we learned our lesson and we try to correct today. Today I think it's our morale. Everyone played. You even saw people from the bench, they come and help us. And we were fighting too much today. It's not like last time. Today we came with a determination to fight to win because we know if we lose this game, we shall be in trouble to go into Big Four. So we needed this game too much, so that was the motivation for us. Yeah. Listen, every game we are finished, we don't think about it. Right now for us, our focus is Kirehe to finish phase 1 very well, and then we start phase 2. We need to prepare very well, and the coaches are doing a very good job with that. We need to prepare because the next phase is going to be very hard because everyone will be fighting to go into top 4. Man, we appreciate the fans too much. They help us too much. If they are not here, we probably maybe even lose. But they come here, they help us. Even when we are down, when we are losing, they help us. We push because their energy, we feed into their energy. When they are okay, when they are helping us, we get more energy to play. So we appreciate them so much. And they come from very far. Yeah. They are very good players. They have been in Gisagara before and they know how things are working there. Last season we had a very bad season and we all know that it's not because of the players we had, but they have come in with the experience they have. They helped us too much. You see MUVARA, we needed someone in the middle who can attack too much and he's helping us, and Sylvestre is trying to manage the game very well. So they have helped us too much.
Yeah, Djibril was one of the best players in this game. So any comment about Djibril?
Listen, Djibril, we know what he can do. Everyone I think here knows. When he is blocking, you cannot pass. So it's very good for us, for him to be in his A game, because our game becomes so much easier.
Yes.
Listen, the first time I came here, the league was not this strong. It was very easy because I remember even we won every game in Gisagara. We never lost the whole season. But now the league has totally improved. You can see the quality of foreigners that are coming in, and even the local players, they have a very good level. So the league has totally improved, and the federation has worked so much for it to reach this level. You can see the fans. This stadium is always full on Friday. It shows improvement, and for us players, we enjoy that. We enjoy playing when the crowd is there, so we are very happy with it.
Have a good day, Malinga.
Thank you.